Fox Weather, Euronews and other international broadcasters shared dramatic footage showing lava fountains illuminating Sicily's night sky. Meteorologists, volcanologists and geological experts explain the science behind the eruption, while viewers watch spectacular images captured by drones, observation cameras and eyewitnesses. For many people watching from thousands of kilometers away, these images were almost impossible to believe. Entire hillsides glowed bright orange. Columns of ash stretched toward the upper atmosphere. Flashes of volcanic lightning occasionally flickered within dense ash clouds as particles collided inside the plume. The volcano appeared almost alive, breathing fire into the sky, while rivers of molten rock slowly reshaped the mountainside. These extraordinary scenes remind us that Earth is far from a static planet. Deep beneath every continent, immense tectonic forces continue operating every second of every day. Heat generated within Earth's interior slowly drives the movement of enormous tectonic plates. Where these plates interact, mountains rise, earthquakes occur, and volcanoes periodically release pressure that has accumulated over many years. Mount Etna exists because of this powerful geological engine. Located near the complex boundary between the African and Eurasian tectonic plates, the volcano occupies one of the most dynamic geological regions in Europe. The interaction of these massive plates creates conditions that allow magma to rise from deep within the Earth's crust, feeding Etna's frequent eruptions. This geological process has continued for hundreds of thousands of years. Each eruption adds another layer of lava, ash and volcanic rock to the mountain. Over time, these repeated eruptions have built one of the largest volcanoes on the European continent. The latest eruption is another reminder that nature never stops changing. Every lava flow, every ash cloud, and every explosion contributes to the ongoing evolution of Mount Etna. While some landscapes remain unchanged for centuries, volcanic regions can transform within hours. As daylight returned, helicopters, scientific teams and monitoring aircraft continued observing the volcano from safe distances. High-resolution cameras documented fresh lava fields, while satellites captured the expanding ash plume from orbit. Scientists compared these observations with ground-based monitoring systems, creating a detailed picture of the eruption's development. Meanwhile, thousands of people continued watching live webcams focused on the summit, waiting to see how the volcano would evolve over the coming hours. Would the lava fountains continue? Would the ash cloud begin to disperse? Or was the volcano only entering the next stage of an even larger eruptive sequence? Those questions all searched for answers as new information arrived. Throughout the day. From a distance, flowing lava appears to move slowly, almost peacefully. In reality, it is a river of molten rock with temperatures exceeding 1000 degrees Celsius. Everything in its direct path can be destroyed if the flow reaches developed areas. Fortunately, during many Etna eruptions, lava follows channels on the upper slopes, remaining far from major towns. Even so, experts continue monitoring every advance because volcanic conditions can change rapidly. One of the greatest concerns during any explosive eruption is volcanic ash. Unlike ordinary smoke, volcanic ash consists of extremely fine fragments of shattered rock and volcanic glass. These tiny particles can remain suspended in the atmosphere for hours or even days, depending on wind conditions. As the eruption intensified, weather specialists carefully analyzed wind patterns to predict where the ash cloud might travel. For aviation authorities, ash clouds present one of the most serious volcanic hazards. Modern jet engines are designed to operate in clean air. Volcanic ash can melt inside engines because of the intense temperatures, potentially damaging critical components. Even small concentrations of ash require careful evaluation before aircraft operate nearby. As monitoring continued, aviation experts observed the ash column rising to approximately 6.5 kilometers above the summit. Air traffic controllers, meteorological agencies, and volcanic monitoring centers Chronicle.